In this video, I will show you how to blur objects in a video using Wondershare Filmora. You can blur emails, passwords, license plates or account numbers very easily. First of all, import a video file into Filmora. You can click here to import media, or you can drag and drop your video clip into Filmora. Add this video to timeline. Let's play this video. Now let's say I want to blur this email. You can cut this video clip from here, or you can add marker at the start and at the end. So I have added these markers, and also I cut this video clip at the start and at the end. Now to blur this, click on effects at the top, and then on the left hand side click on utility. Here you can see mosaic, which we will use in this video to blur passwords. So drag and drop it above the video clip. Let me just resize it exactly. Now double click on the mosaic here, and then right away on this video part you can see this blur. You can drag it wherever you want and resize it any size you want. So right about here it looks perfect. Let's play this in full screen.
Then username.
So you can see what it looks like, and on the left hand side you can adjust the blur amount. Right now it is 50. If I move it all the way to the left, it becomes everything very clear. I can still see it. If you leave this blur amount to 9 or 10, it is fine. But you can see if I move this all the way to the right, it becomes a grayish block. So go ahead and move it to how much blurrier you want. I am just leaving it at 10. Let's say we also want to blur out this username. Just do the same thing again. Go to effects, then utility, and then mosaic. Drag and drop it above the other mosaic. Another thing you can do is, if you want the same blur amount as you selected in the first mosaic, let me delete this. You can right click on it and click on copy, and then you can paste it. Select the track by clicking on the track on which you want to paste it. Now I press Ctrl+V. So now I have the same amount of blur in the same size. Double click on mosaic. I know that it's right here. Let me drag this to where I want. Now you can see I have two of them. One you can see is right here, and the other is right here. Click on OK, and if you are done you can click on export. I usually leave it at MP4. Then you can change it to better or best. If you have a lot of space on your hard drive, go ahead and select best if you wish. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, click links in the description below. If you enjoyed, please like this video, and if you would like to see future videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you.